Hi everyone. The title of our project is Semi-Automatic Grass Cutting Machine. Our project is guided by Engineer Jenny John Mattam, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering. And our team members are myself Adarsh Shaji, Aditya Sajit Kumar, Ashish A and Bharat Thomas. And now my friend Aditya will explain the introduction part.
Good morning. My name is Aditya Sajit Kumar. I am from S8MEA. My roll number is 8. So, I'll explain about the introduction and objectives of our project, that is semi-automatic grass cutting machine. So, in our project, we have come to this conclusion of making our project because of various reasons. Some of them are, see, in Kerala, workers use brush cutters. So in brush cutters there are various disadvantages, like it produces high noise pollution and environmental pollution, and it also releases lots of gas. It is run by gas engines, mainly 2-stroke or 4-stroke, and the blades of this type of cutter rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So the workers have to move the cutter from right to left. And the cutters run by IC engine has also various disadvantages, like we have to frequently change the engine oil, and this type of cutter also produces air pollution and noise pollution. And in schools and colleges, the gardeners use hand scissors to maintain a uniformity in the grass heights, and that also increases the work time, and it also increases the labor cost. So we have produced a solution for this, and we have introduced a new machine. It's called a semi-automatic grass cutting machine. In this type of machine, we have converted a conventional push type grass cutter into a battery powered RC controlled semi-automatic grass cutter. So this type of grass cutter has various advantages, like it runs by battery, and we have also provided a solar panel. So if the battery gets drained out, the solar panel can recharge the battery, and it has 4 wheels. The machine is controlled by remote control, and the machine can also rotate 360 degrees. It can also move left, right in any direction, and it reduces the labor cost. And various other advantages of our project are the height. According to the height of the grass, the machine height can be adjusted so that there will be a uniformity in the field. And it also reduces noise pollution and environmental pollution, and is very useful to humans and can be also used in rural areas. And now I'll explain about the objectives. There are 3 main objectives for our project. That is, it reduces labor cost because our project is remote control, so it reduces labor cost, and it reduces environmental pollution and noise pollution because it is run by a battery, and there is also a solar panel, and we get a smooth and finished cutting of the grass. So these are the objectives of the project. Now Ashish A will explain about the literature survey. Thank you.
My name is Ashish A, and I am from S8MEA. My roll number is 34, and I am going to explain about the literature survey of our project, semi-automatic grass cutting machine. So the first one is semi-automatic grass cutting machine by Muhammad Haris and Nabil P. Tabasam. It's an RC control and battery powered grass cutting machine. It consists of microcontroller and obstacle sensor, and it is mainly used in sport grounds. And second one is a solar powered automatic grass cutting machine by Sagar P. Palve and Kunal Punjal. So it can be operated by manually and automatic mode. It uses a Play Store Bluetooth control Play Store application for its movement. And third one is modification of solar grass cutting machine by Prabal P. Ulke. And here spiral roller blades are used for faster cutting of grass. And fourth one is design and fabrication of pedal operated lawn mower. So it uses components like single slider tank mechanism, sickle bar, and the fifth one is by Mamda M. Charmohan. It's called remote control lawn mower using solar system. It's a fully automated one with obstacle sensor. The vehicle motor and cutter are interfaced with an Arduino Nano that controls all the motors. So coming to the problem statement of our project, the conventional gas cutting machine causes high noise pollution, and also it uses fossil fuels, and we need skilled operators to operate the conventional gas cutting machine. So with our project we are going to solve these problems, and also using conventional gas cutting machines we cannot cut the gas at specific height that we want. With our project we can cut the gas with the height that we want to cut. So and also the usage of conventional gas cutting machine is quite difficult. So with the use of our gas cutting machine we can solve all these problems. So next I am going to Bharat Thomas will explain about the methodology.
My name is Bharat Thomas. I am studying in S8ME and my roll number is 43. Today I am going to explain to you about our project, which is semi-automatic grass cutting machine. So what I am going to explain to you is about the working of our semi-automatic grass cutting machine, the methodology of how it works. So basically I will explain to you it based on different parts which we have in our grass cutting machine. Okay, so in the first, which touches the ground, we have the rubber wheels. The rubber wheels is mounted on a frame which is made of mild steel, and on this frame we have the remote control or the FM receiver, the relays, which are then connected to the different motors. There are two motors. One motor is for the cutting, which is used to rotate the cutter, and then the other motor is used for the movement of the rubber wheels. Okay, so the cutting motor is then it's then joined to a cutter. Okay, the cutter is the normal fiber cutter, or which is the fiber blade is used to cut the grass. Okay, so these are the things which we have. Then what we have is a 12-volt battery which powers all these systems. Then we extra we have our solar panel which takes solar energy from the sun and which is used to restore the energy to the battery. Okay, the battery can also be charged by plugging it into a normal AC circuit also. It is such a chargeable battery. So these are all the different components of our solar cutting machine. Hence, to move forward, the motor, or not the motor, the relay. The relay will only power the two motors which are up front. So the two motors will get activated in the front, and hence it will rotate. Hence, rotation will be forward. If it is to move backward, which is given by a remote control, the same happens. The relay powers the two motors in the back and moves towards the back. If it is left or right, the relay powers only one motor which is at the front, hence only that wheel will rotate, and if we turn to left, the same is the principle when it has to move to the right. Okay, so this is how about the movement. Then the cutter is directly coupled to the battery. You switch on the switch, the cutter starts rotating, so it can be adjusted with height variables depending on the cutting levels of the grass we want. The connections of the solar panel is given directly to the battery. So this is all the working that we have in our solar grass cutting machine. My friend Adarsh Shaji will explain to you about the fabrication and further details of our project.
I am Adarsh Shaji from S8ME and my roll number is 7. And I am going to tell about the design process, fabrication process and all other details of our project semi-automatic grass cutting machine. Okay, now I am going to tell about how the design of gears are being done. The design of spur gear is initially done. All the details or all the equations that we are provided or used in our design process is based on the design data handbook. Now, initially we set the motor speed as our RPM of the motor as 40 RPM, and now we found the value of the small gear, that is for the gear wheel, as 12 RPM. And now we move to the design of the spur gear, where we set the pressure angle as 14.5 and the number of seat is set to be 50. Then we selected the diametrical pitch as 18, and now we, using that equation from the design data handbook, we found the pitch circle diameter to be 70.56, then the outer diameter, and also the design of wave shaft was the next one, and we decided the outer diameter of the wave shaft to be 20 mm and the module is said to be 2. And now we got the value of pitch cycle diameter using the equation we get from the design data handbook. Now we are going to calculate the cutting area of semi-automatic grass cutting machine. In our semi-automatic grass cutting machine, there are 2 grass cutting motors, and the radius of one cutter is 14 cm, and hence by using the equation pi r square we calculate the cutting area of one motor, that is 615.75 cm square with tolerance equal to 5 plus or minus 5 cm. And now we are having the 2 motors, so we can double the cutting area, and final cutting area is 123.4 cm square with tolerance plus or minus 10 cm. Now coming to the work plan. The literature survey of our project has started during August, and the procurement and the collection of material which we done through online and through direct buying from the shops, and which was during the period October and December, and we started the fabrication works in the first week of January, and it ended up in between the first and second week of February, and we presented our project in Srishti 2020. And now coming to the testing process. The testing, we made testing within the short time. We made a testing at the hostel and also in the place where we conducted the fabrication works. And coming to the result and the reporting works which we done during the period from March and April. Now coming to the cost analysis of our project. The 4-channel RC control cost around 350 rupees, and the 4-channel relay which cost around 200 rupees, and we required a 12 volt to 5 volt converter that cost around 100 rupees. And now the Bosch motor, that means the window motor of our cars, that we purchased for 3600 rupees, that means 4 motors. And the 12 volt motor that is for cutting the grass, that cost around 1600 rupees. And coming to the trimmer head, that trimmer head cost around 1000 rupees, that means each one 500 rupees. And coming to the 4 wheels, that we used rubber wheels, the rubber tires, that cost around 600 rupees. And the battery, that means the 12 volt battery for our grass cutting machine, it cost around 1200 rupees. And about the solar panel which cost around 1400 rupees. And about the bearings and gears, that cost around 800 rupees. And coming to the frame, that means the GA frame used for the fabrication, it cost around, total cost around 4000 rupees. And overall the semi-automatic grass cutting machine cost around 14,850 rupees. Now coming to the result of our semi-automatic grass cutting machine. During the testing period, we have found that unlike the normal grass cutters, that means the worker used to cut the grass at random heights, in our grass cutter we have provided the adjustable height so that we can cut the grass at uniform heights. And in the normal grass cutting machines, only one cutter is provided, but we increase the cutting area by introducing 2 grass trimmers in our semi-automatic grass cutting machine. Also, in the we have provided a solar panel so that the battery being charged by solar, and as well as it can be also charged from the DC AC power supply using a AC to DC converter. And also in the during the testing period, it is found that when the grass cutting machine is run by using both the power from the battery as well as from the solar panel, the grass trimmers get more power to cut the grass. And also it is found that when we use the plastic wheels instead of rubber wheels during the initial time, the traction was not better and the movement was not easy. And when we introduce rubber wheels, that means the proper traction is made between the tires and the ground, and it gives much more better movement for our semi-automatic grass cutting machine. Coming to the conclusion of our project, semi-automatic grass cutting machine, we gained a lot of knowledge from the project title semi-automatic grass cutting machine, which shows us a satisfactory result. The practical knowledge we gained from doing this project includes the purchasing, assembling, machining, and hands-on experience on the welding machine, CNC, lathes, etc. And the semi-automatic grass cutting machine solves the existing problem of the IC engine, that means the 2-stroke for grass cutting machines that exist in the current market. It solves noise pollution and environment pollution. And this application of our grass cutting machine has greater advantage compared to the cost of the machine. So in future the same project can be modified, and the uniform cutting of the cutting heights provide That means the cutter having the adjustable height is much useful for cutting the lawns, gardens, and etc. And based on the reviews that we get from while we test, we have tested in our hostels, and the gardeners told that it is very user friendly, and hence it eliminates the labor cost and the time. Now let's see how the fabrication process have been done. Our project fabrication work helped all our team members a hands-on experience on different machines like lathe, drilling, welding, and abrasive cutting machines, which we use in our project fabrication.